Hi and welcome to episode number 644 with whatsforchow.com. Today we're making crispy Tarragon deep fried chicken. The manner in which this dish is prepared results in a juicy tender chicken with tons of flavor and an aroma that will have your guests clamoring for more and more. The technique we use is suited to any size batch, but certainly makes it much easier for you when making large batches for bigger crowds, as the frying time is much shorter than for regular fried chicken. Before we begin, please remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, give us a thumbs up and share this with your friends and family. Every little bit helps us grow the channel, and your support is much appreciated. To start, preheat your oven to 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Measure out 2 tablespoons dried tarragon flakes, 1 tablespoon dried garlic flakes, and 2 tablespoons dried chilli flakes. You also need 175 ml chicken stock, 50 ml dry white wine, and 30 grams of softened butter. Pour these all into one jug and mix them until well combined. Place your chicken pieces in a large baking pan and pour the flavoring mixture over the chicken pieces. Cover the pan with foil and bake the chicken pieces for 80 minutes. After 80 minutes, remove the chicken from the oven, carefully remove the foil, and transfer the chicken to a cooling rack in another pan to cool for 30 minutes. While the chicken cools, place 2 tablespoons of Himalayan rock salt and 1.5 milliliters of pure MSG in your spice grinder. Machine this until you have a very fine powder. This will only take a few seconds. The powder must be as fine, if not more refined, than the flour it is going to be combined with. This helps to get a very even distribution of the powder through the flour coating. In another pan, measure out 1 cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of strong white bread flour. Add 2 teaspoons baking powder and the powdered MSG salt mix. Mix this all thoroughly until combined. In a large jug, combine 3 eggs with 150 milliliters of full cream milk. Whisk this briefly and put it aside. Use a little of the flour mixture to sprinkle over a large platter. This is where the coated chicken will rest before being fried. The layer of flour prevents the coating on the chicken from sticking to the platter and getting damaged. To coat the chicken pieces, drop a few pieces of the chicken into the flour mixture and mix them around until they are coated. Dip them in the egg and transfer them directly back to the flour mixture. Dredge these in the flour until well coated. Transfer them to the platter to rest before frying, and continue with the remaining pieces. Heat your oil to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Fry the chicken pieces in batches for 5 minutes per batch until crisp and golden. Remove the pieces from the oil and drain any excess oil on kitchen paper. Allow these to stand for a couple of minutes before serving. Here we can plainly see just how moist and tender the chicken is when prepared in this manner. In addition, if you're catering for a large crowd, the chicken can be broiled the day before and refrigerated, leaving only the coating and frying for the day of the occasion. That's all for today, folks. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again real soon.